Welcome to Avalon. In this episode, I will show you how to install LED panels made in Azerbaijan by a company named Ecolife.
Set a laser line parallel to the wall. Use a template to draw cut lines for the first panel. And the second one. Set a laser line perpendicular to the first one. Draw cut lines for the third panel. It should have the same offset as the first two. Align laser lines with the cut lines of the first and the third panels to create an intersection point. Draw cut lines for the last panel. Make cuts with a cutter. Cut out holes with a drywall saw. Connect the wires. Mount the panel while holding the clips.